Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Head and call everyone. Head and call everyone. Yeah, good evening, Sophia. Good evening. Call every person. Just let's give a few minutes. Can we start? Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Can we start? Yeah, let's start then. Let's start. Let's start. I think everything ready. Everything ready. Let's start. Everything ready. Let's start. Everything ready. Let's start. Yeah, say everyone one time. Good evening. Say everyone one time. Good evening. Say everyone one time. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Say one time. Good evening. All the people say good evening one time. Everyone say one time. Yeah, yesterday notes, you revised or not? Yesterday notes, you revised or not? Yesterday notes, you revised or not? Bhaiya, yesterday notes, you revised or not? Say fast, yaar. Yesterday notes, you revised or not? Say fast, you revised or not? Yeah, if you revise, this class is going to be so interesting. If you revise, this class is going to be so interesting. You can see now. Can you try this problem? Can you try this problem? Can you try this problem? So I'm writing this problem. If one more problem, if P goes to Q, employees are, if P goes to Q, employees are be a contradiction. Be a contradiction. Then what about R goes to P, employees Q is, then what about this? Yeah, option A, tautology. Option A, tautology. Option B, contradiction. Option B, contradiction. Option C, always true. Always true when P is false. P is false. Option D, always true. Always true when P is true. Tautology, contradiction, always true when P is false, always true P is true. Yeah, this is the problem. Let me know how many people will give answer for this. Let's check. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Can you try how to solve this problem? Your time, right? Your time starts now. Can you start now? What is the answer for this? If P goes to Q, employees are be a contradiction, then what about R goes to P, employees Q? It is a tautology, it is a contradiction, always true when P is false, always true when P is true. Don't say any answer blindly. Don't say any answer blindly. My sincere request, don't say anything blindly. I am begging everyone. Don't say blindly A answer. Don't say blindly B answer. Don't say blindly C answer. Don't say like this. I am begging everyone, please don't say whatever you want. Have clarity. You are not attending the class to say blindly. You are not spending this much time, right, to say blindly. What will be the answer for this? Everyone, what will be the answer for this? Try. What will be the answer for this? Try. Anyone can give answer. Anyone can give answer. Please revise the notes every day. Please revise the notes. At the end, total notes become hell. At the end, total notes become hell. Small pieces you have to take care. Topic 1, take care. Topic 2, take care. Topic 3, take care. Topic 4, take care. Like that, maybe 10 topics are there. Please go topic wise. You cannot imagine a house without thinking about bricks. Brick by brick you have to keep. Then you will get the one room. First you will get one wall. Next one room will come. Next one big house will come. Think about this one. Topic by topic you have to study. If you keep on thinking, right? So lastly I will study. Nothing you study lastly. What you study lastly? 13 subjects are there. Yeah, what will be the answer? So Vipul saying D answer, Vipul saying C answer. Vipul said one time C, Vipul saying one time D. Vipul, 2 more options are there. Select A also, B also. Then everything will come. Right? Simply say Sir, it is a MSQ, all are answers. Simply, right, Vipul said C answer, D answer, 2 more options left out, say those also. Say those also, yeah. Yeah, can I go to the answer? Can I go to the answer? Can I go to the answers? Can I go to the answer? Can I give the answer? Can I give the answer? Arey, respond, yaar, respond. Can I give answer? Respond, yaar. Can I give answer? Can I give answer? Oi, oi, say, can I give or not? Can I give? Yeah, now see the answer. Now see the answer. Now see the answer. Everyone, see the answer. Atul, where are you? Where are you, Atul? Yeah, see the answer. See the answer now. See the answer, everyone. He said that if this is true, see this one. If this is contradiction, then what about this? Let me check. P goes to Q, employees are is a contradiction. Contradiction means false. P goes to Q, employees are is a contradiction. Contradiction means false. So you know employees operator is false only for a TF combination. It is the T, it is the F, then only it is false. This is going to be false only for a TF combination. Only for a TF combination, right? Everyone know this. Only for a TF combination it is going to be false. Now, so R is fixed as false. That is fine. But what about this? This is true. This is true means I think 3 possibilities are there. True, true. Next one, false, true. So false, false. These are the possibilities. Now let me check here. P, Q, you have to verify true, true. Next one, we have to verify false, true. We have to verify false, false. And important thing is, in all these cases, R is false only. In all these cases, R is false only. Now, this is the information. See this one. From the above one, this is the information what we got. From the given story, this is the information what we got. Now substitute in this, right? Our statement, the answer what you want to find out. R goes to P, employees Q, substitute. So I think P true, Q true, R false. R false here, P true here, Q also true here. Then see the result. This became true, true, true also true. This is true. This is true. Now let me substitute same thing here. R goes to P, employees Q. Employees Q. Now substitute. I think R is going to be false, P is going to be false, Q is going to be true. So I think everyone know this is going to be true. True, true. This is going to be true. Right? Now let's see the third case also. Let's see the third case also. Right? Let's see the third case also. R goes to P, employees Q. Q is right. R is already false. P is already false. Q is already false. Right? So let's see this one. This became true. True, false become true, false became true, false became false. So first possibility true, second possibility true, third one is given false. Third one is given false. Now see the answers. Now see the answer. Is it tautology? See, all true, I could have said tautology. No. If all false, I could have said contradiction. No. Always true when P is false. P is false, always true. See this one. P is false, true. P is false, false, false. So this is also false. Next one. Always true when P is true. P true, true. Next one, that's it. P true, true. P false, it may true, it may false. Always true when P is true. Are you getting? Always true when P is true. Always true when P is false. When P is false, he's saying always true. P false here, true. P false here, it is not true. From the given information, get the data. From the given information, I got this data. From the given information, I got this data. This data you substitute in this. This data you substitute in this. I substituted. This data I substituted in this. So first one true, second one true, third one false. But if I go to the option, tautology no, contradiction no, always true when P is false. Always true when P is false. So I tried, right? Always true when P is false. P false true, P false false. So I cannot say that. Always true when P is true. So I think D is the answer. Is it okay? Is it okay? See, one or two problems will trouble. One or two problems will trouble. You try to understand this. Every day cannot be your day. Every day cannot be my day. Someday, everything you will get. Someday, only you will get 90%. Someday you will get only 80%. Someday, you may not be fine. Someday, I may not be fine. But every day, you have to try. I am repeating once again. Someday, I may not be fine. Someday, you may not be fine. Someday, internet may not be fine. Someday, few problems will trouble you. Some days, everything you will get. Right? Few days, you will get only 90%. But you have to try every day. You have to try every day. Every day you are trying. Every day you are trying. That is called consistency. That is called consistency. You should have consistency. See, this problem everyone got. Maybe next problem also try. If you can learn anything new, learn it. Suppose if a little bit tough, you can ask me, I will explain. Please do like this until last day of the GATE exam. See, GATE exam is there in Feb. Until Feb you try. Until Feb you try. Until GATE exam day, you please try. Don't lose the hope. Until GATE exam day, please keep on try. Please keep on try until GATE exam day. Then you will be the winner. You will be the winner. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Winners never quit. Winners never quit. And quitters never win. Remember this. Remember this. Remember this. Remember this. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. If you quit in between, you are not a winner. This is the primary quality. This quality you should have. This quality you should have. In life, so many times problems will come. In life, so many times problem will come. This is the thing which you have to understand. You should have. This is the best quality. This is the number one quality you should have. This is the number one quality you should have. Please concentrate on this. Try to get this. Try to follow this. Try to follow this. Can you go to next problem? Can you go to next problem? Can you go to next problem? One more problem I am giving. One more problem I am giving. Can you go to the next one? One more problem I am giving. Let me try. Let me try one more problem. See this? One more problem. I think who is there? Atul, Venkat, Atul, Ashwini, Jaya. Yeah, let's go for Jaya. Let's go for Jaya. Take the one more problem. Let's go for Jaya. Let's talk about Jaya. Let's write. If S1 statement. Take care about this problem. If 𝗳𝗂 is known to be, corrupt, if 𝗳𝗂 is known to be corrupt, then he will not win. Then he will not win. S2. If 𝗳𝗂 is kind, then he will win. Right? If 𝗳𝗂 is known to be corrupt, then he will not win. If 𝗳𝗂 is kind, then he will win. From this, right? He is saying, from this he is saying, what is the conclusion you can derive? What is the conclusion you can bring from this? Means from the above, means I think what I want to say is, right? What I want to say is, in the argument, left side things are given. He is asking what is right side thing. Someone is saying that, sir, she will. Whatever it is, yeah, she or he, whatever it is. Someone is saying she. What is your problem? Just shut your mouth. She or he, how it matter? If 𝗳𝗂 is known to be corrupt, then he will not win. If 𝗳𝗂 is kind, then he will win. I used the short name. Maybe he is having some big name. Hello, boy, I am he. Now are you happy? Abhijit? Abhijit, are you happy? His name is actually Suprit. I written 𝗳𝗂. Are you happy now? Now all his hopes are gone. Now Abhijit Bhaiya, all hopes are gone. Abhijit Bhaiya having lot of hopes. All hopes are gone. 𝗳𝗂, you spoiled Abhijit Bhaiya hopes. He have lot of hopes on you. You spoiled it. Man, you spoiled. 𝗳𝗂, you spoiled his life. He have a lot of trust on you. You spoiled it. I am seriously teaching propositional logic. He is saying, sir, not he, sir, she. I am seriously teaching, right, propositional logic. And he is saying, sir, it is not he, it is a she. Gootle. Anyhow, see this one. See everyone now. This is the argument. See this one. This is the argument A to B. Everyone listen. This is the argument A to B. Left people are given. See, these are the left people. So you have to give conclusion. This is the right one. A given, you have to get the B. What is the answer? What is the conclusion? From the given statements, what is the conclusion you can bring? Suppose assume that S1, S2 both are true. What is the conclusion you can give? Means employees operator, left given. He is asking what is right. Right. Can you try this? 𝗳𝗂, you don't cry. Right? 𝗳𝗂, you don't cry. Abhi, you don't cry. Only for namesake, I said. Only for laughing purpose, I said, don't cry. Concentrate on the problem. Don't cry, concentrate on the problem. If Jaya is kind, he is not known to be corrupt. And one more thing, my suggestion is, please don't use your English skills. Please follow notation. Don't say anything using English. Sir, I am so good in English. Sir, I written the GRE also. Sir, I written the GRE also. From the first class onwards, I belongs to English medium. Sir, according to English medium, according to GRE, answer is this. Don't do that. Don't do that. This is the propositional logic. You have to derive properly. I am not able to concentrate on this problem. What is the problem? What is the problem? Because of Jaya. Because of your name is there. That is the reason you are unable to concentrate. That is the reason you are unable to concentrate. Because of I written Jaya, you are unable to concentrate. From the left side people, what is the conclusion you are going to get? From the left side people, what is the conclusion you are going to get? Because of I written Jaya, Jaya is crying. Because of I written Jaya, Jaya is crying. I am writing Abhi. I am writing Abhi. I am writing Abhi. Abhi is known to be, because of he is crying, because of he is crying, Abhi is known to be corrupt, then he will not win. Right? So, and one more thing, Abhi is kind, then he will win. Abhi is kind, then he will win. Now are you happy? Are you happy, Bhaiya? Bhaiya, are you happy? Bhaiya, are you happy? Yeah, can I give answer for this? Can I give answer for this? Can I give answer for this? Can I go ahead? Yeah, I am giving the answer. See everyone, I am giving the answer. See everyone now. If Abhi is known to be corrupt, then he will not win. See this one. This is the very, very important one. See, I am going to say one statement. Everyone listen. I am going to say one statement. Everyone listen. I am going to say one statement. Everyone listen. This mistake if you do, you are the loser. This mistake if you do, you are the loser. This is the very, very important one. Very, very important one. Can you see this one? If Abhi is known to be corrupt, major one is corrupt. Abhi is known to be corrupt. Assume that C. Then see this one. Then he will not win. Remember everyone. Then he will not win. See this one. Then let me write now. Then he will not win. Everyone observe. This is the very, very tricky one. If Abhi is known to be corrupt, assume that this is C, then he will not win. Everyone observe. Remember, win is W, not win, negation W. Remember, don't take something as not. With not, don't take W. Not means compulsory, negation required. He will win is W, he will not win is negation W. Remember, don't say that he will not win is W. That is the biggest mistake. This is the biggest mistake what people will do. They will say that he will not win is W. No, he will win is W, he will not win is negation W. If that is the case, you never see negation. If that is the case, you never see negation. It is a very, very important one. Many people will do mistake here. Many people will do mistake. E will not win. E will win is W. E will not win is negation W. Negation W. Now see the next one. Abhi is kind, then E will win. Right? If you want, you can write if also. If Abhi is kind, means it is a K, then E will win. E will win. So it is a W. If Abhi is kind, then E will win. So from this entire story, can you see this one? From the entire story, can you see this one? S1 is going to be C employees negation W. S2 is going to be K goes to W. K goes to W. Right? From this, what the conclusion you can give? From this, what the conclusion you can give? Which is equal to, listen, which is equal to S1, S2, everyone observe, S1, S2, S1, S2, this is K goes to W, that is okay. This is going to be, everyone know, what is the contrapositive of this? Left become right, right become left, negation. Negation becomes negation cancel. So what is the answer? It became W goes to negation C. It is going to be W goes to negation C. Contrapositive to this one is first reverse it. First to reverse it and keep negation to both the side. You don't have negation, you will get negation. You have negation, you will lose negation. Reverse also. So negation W become W, negation C. Now if you observe clearly, using transitive property, K goes to W, W goes to negation C. K goes to W, W goes to negation C, W, W cancel, it will goes to K goes to negation C. A goes to B, B goes to C, using transitive A goes to C. In the similar way, K goes to W, right? W goes to negation C, W, W cancel, K goes to negation C. What is the K? Kind. What is the negation C? What is the negation C? Not corrupt. Corrupt means C, not corrupt means, right, negation C. So what is the meaning? If Abhi is kind, then he is not corrupt. If Abhi is kind, then he is not corrupt. Then he is not corrupt. Are you fine? If Abhi is kind, then he is not corrupt. Are you okay? If Abhi is kind, then he is not corrupt. Are you okay? If Abhi is kind, then he is not corrupt. Are you okay? Hello? Answer, final answer is, if Abhi is kind, then he is not corrupt. K goes to negation C. K is kind. C means corrupt. Negation C means not corrupt. So you cannot, listen, you cannot give using normal English. Using normal English, you cannot give answers. Please remember, don't use your English. Don't use your English. Don't use your English. It is not English. It is not the aptitude. It is not the English. It is not aptitude. It is a mathematical logic. First topic is mathematical logic. In that, propositional logic we are talking. You have to go in the form of your proposition rules. You have to go in the form of your proposition rules. Please careful. So how many people will say, I got it? If you got it, can you say, can you write in the comment section, I got it? If you got, can you type in the comment section, I got it? If you got it, write in the comment section, you got it. Everyone, whoever got it, say. Whoever got it, say. Whoever got it, say. Some people are not saying, some people are not saying, some people are not saying your hands are not working, or your brain dead. Your hands are not working. Your brain is not working. Say I got it. If you got it, say got it. If you got it, say got it. Say properly, so that I will go to the next problem. Sir, can we assume 𝗬𝗑 is kind? Opposite of 𝗬𝗑 is known to be corrupt. No, see, so no assumption, nothing, right, Johan? No assumption, nothing. See, whatever is given, just see. I am not done any English here. Abhi, remember, you cannot do any English. You have to use proposition rules only. You cannot apply any English here. You have to apply proposition rules only. I can give the name. See, Abhi is known to be corrupt. Abhi known to be corrupt. I given C. He will not win. He will win is W. He will not win is negation W. I am not used any language here. No language I used here. Just notation item. Johan, are you getting? I didn't use any language here. Whatever is given, I converted into mathematical logic. Right? Don't do anything using English. Don't do anything using English. This is the condition what I want to say to you. So can you help me? Do you know contrapositive? See the contrapositive. Contrapositive of this one is, see this one. If right, see this one. If Abhi is corrupt, see this one. If Abhi is corrupt, then he will not win. The contrapositive of this one is going to be right. Abhi is going to be win if he is not corrupt. Contrapositive only. See, we can talk only contrapositives. This one equivalent statement is this one equivalent statement. I written this one. Reverse of this. If you do like this, it is the inverse. Right? You know this. Right? So if you reverse it, what is the name? If you reverse it, it's a converse. If you keep negation, it is the inverse. If you do both, it is a contrapositive. If you reverse it, converse. If you keep negation, inverse. If you do both, contrapositive. The only thing what can I say is, previously, if Abhi is corrupt, then he will not win. Then contrapositive is, he will not win if Abhi is corrupt. That is the only thing I can say. I can only talk about contrapositive. Equivalent statement I can do contrapositive. Other than this, I cannot do anything. I am not doing any English here. Whatever is there, just every problem try to do this. Every problem try to do using this notation. And one more important thing is, please don't try not also W. He will not win is W. No. Not is there means remove the not, then W. With not, negation W. Right? Fine. What is the benefit of taking S1 as? C goes to negation W instead of C goes to W. So if that is the case, right, Atul, if that is the case, you never see negation. If that is the case, you never see negation. Are you getting? That is the case, you never see negation. And one more thing is Abhi, can you see this one? I think Atul asked one nice question. See this one. If you assume he will not win as a negation W, then it will become what the answer? He will win. If this total is negation W, then it will become W. If at all it will become W, it will become negation W. Am I right or not? Right? If it is a negation W, then it will be W. If it is a W, it is a negation W. You may do mistake. You may do mistake. If you take not also W, you will win. Definitely negation will come. Are you getting? Yeah, so best thing is by removing not, you give the name. Otherwise, you may do mistake somewhere. Otherwise, you may do mistake somewhere. You can assume whatever way you want. You can assume whatever way you want. But the problem is not is there, give not. What is there in that? You can assume whatever way you want. Not is there, give not. What is there in that? Why to give? See this one. Why to give? Suppose assume that corrupt. You cannot give negation C. You cannot give negation C. Corrupt. You cannot give negation C. Then can't we take not W in S? S or S1? In short, if not present, we will take negation. Exactly. Otherwise, problems will come. Otherwise, there is a lot of misguiding. But one more thing I want to ask you. Can you help me now? The notation what you are using, that is only for you for computer. The notation, see this one, this entire notation, whatever you are using, this is for computer or this is for you, your purpose only. Your purpose only. Do use whatever way you want, it cannot create trouble. Use whatever way you want, it cannot trouble you. See this one, this is, listen, at the end of the day, in the examination, S1, listen, in the examination, S1, S2 given, in the examination, S1, S2 given, they are asking this statement, S3. S1, S2 given, they are asking S3. Do whatever way you want. Don't go in the reverse order. Right? Corrupt is not C. Right? Next one is not win is W. It will create some trouble. So it will create some trouble. Best idea. Whenever not is there, without not you give first. Whenever not is there, without not you give. Because of not negation you keep. Otherwise, all the places you have to do reverse. Please careful. Nice debate. Thank you so much for asking. I don't know who asked this. Thank you so much for asking. Otherwise, ambiguity will come. So many problems. Unnecessary complications. Not is there. Please, right? Remove not and give the name because of not negation. Yeah, it will. You may do mistake also. Unnecessary ambiguity will come. To make it simple, wherever not is there, keep negation. And one more, don't use the English language. Notation only how to follow. See, whatever you conclude, it should come like this only. Using the story only, it should come. It cannot come some random way. You have to use propositional logic. All the rules of propositional logic you have to use. Contrapositive you have to use. Whatever things are there we studied, you have to use all of them. If you okay, can I move to next? Thank you so much for asking. I don't know who asked this. Thank you so much for asking. Not is there. Please keep negation. If you don't keep negation, that is also okay, but it will create trouble in other areas. Atul saying, I'm able to solve the same with the S1. P goes to Q. Okay. S2, R goes to negation Q. Then contrapositive of S2. Right? See, yeah, whatever you done. Finally, you got same answer. Or different answer? Atul, you got finally same answer or different answer? Yeah, say same answer. Na? Contra-positive means same. Contra-positive means same. There is no problem. There is no problem. Correct only. The only thing is, please take care. You written not as W, not win as W, then win as, right, negation W will come. Of course, contra-positive means equal. No problem. But remember, if you take here negation W, here you have to take, right, W. Suppose if you do reverse, here negation W, it will become W. Any one of the thing you have to do. So best idea, not is there. To make it simple, if not is there, please use negation. Right? Normally, see, here if you use negation W, it may not look nice. Here if you use negation W, it may not look nice. But anyhow, meaningfully both are similar, right? You take your own headache. Right? It is not looking nice. E will win is negation W. How? If not is there, simply use negation. That is a better approach. Right? Fine. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone for participating. Thanks everyone for participating. Let's move to the next problem. Can I move to next? But don't use English language. Don't use English language. You have to use propositional logics only. You have to use propositional logic formulas only. Don't try to avoid English. If at all English is the criteria, right, I may not teach here. If English is the criteria, I may not teach here. Right? Fine. Go to the next problem. I think you will give the next problem answer also. Let's check. Write down now. One more problem. P. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Q. Cheap mobile phones are not good. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Cheap mobile phones are not good. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Cheap mobile phones are not good. This is the given string. Given story is this. Is asking what the conclusion you can give. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Cheap mobile phones are not good. Then what is the conclusion you can give? Can you try? Use the notation properly. Yeah, can you try this? Try this one. What is the answer for this? Good mobile phones are not cheap. Cheap mobile phones are not good. What is the conclusion? So wherever not is there, without not give the name, because of not write the negation. You have to use mathematical logic, not English. You cannot use English here. You have to use mathematical notation. Please, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Yeah, can you say final? See, final answer should be Ashwini. Final answer should be in terms of normal lines only. In between, use whatever notation you want, but final answer should be in the English statements only. Final answer should be in terms of English statements only. Final answer should be in terms of English statements only. You can write, see, if at all your statement is not there, you can check contrapositive. Equivalent statement may be there. Equivalent statement may be there. If at all your answer not there in the option, you have to do contrapositive. Suppose your answer not there, do contrapositive. Reverse of reverse. 2 times reverse. 1 time reverse the symbol, 1 time keep the negation. Everyone have to try. These are very easy. 1 time try. These are very easy. 1 time try. These are very easy. 1 time try. Good mobile phones. See this one. Good mobile phones. G. Major name you can give. Right? Good mobile phones. If you want, you can write mobile phones. Good mobile phones. You can give M also. Whatever name you want, you can give. I don't have any objection. I given because of good, I want to make it as highlight. So G I given. Are not cheap. Cheap means C. Not means negation C. The meaning of this line is, right? If mobile phone is good, then it is not cheap. The meaning of this line is, listen, the meaning of this line is, someone is saying P implies Q. Someone is saying P implies Q. So P and Q, any relation? They both are 2 statements. P 1 statement, Q 1 statement. Instead of giving S1, S2, right? Instead of giving S1, S2, is given P and Q. Now let's see this one. Right? If the mobile phone is good, then it is not cheap. Next one. Cheap mobile phone. Not, let's see. Are not good. Good means G. Are not good means negation G. Then if you see the story, P is given like, right? If mobile phone is good, then it is not cheap. Right? Next one. Right? If at all cheap mobile phones, then they are not good. Now interesting answer. Listen, interesting answer. Everyone listen. Interesting answer. To this one, contrapositive is G goes to negation C. Am I right or not? That means, listen, everyone listen, that means P and Q both are equal or not? Both are equal. That means both are equal. The conclusion of this one is P is equal to Q. The conclusion of this one is P is equal to Q. Both are equal. In the exam they are asking, what is the relation between P and Q? Sorry for this, right? In the problem they are asking, what is the relation? If conclusion, you can give conclusion. Whatever conclusion is possible, you can give. Can you help me know what is the conclusion? Can you help me know any conclusion you can give? Both are same statement. Any conclusion you can give. That means only one statement. Am I right or not? That means only one statement. There is no conclusion I can give because only one statement. So they are asking, that is the reason they are asking, what is the right? They are asking, what is the relation between P and Q? I'm sorry for this, I'm writing now. Then find relation between P and Q. Then answer is this. Then answer is P is equal to Q. The relation is P is equal to Q. The relation is P is equal to Q. Suppose if anyone say, what is the conclusion? From this, what is the conclusion? If anyone asks you, what is the conclusion here? The interesting thing is only one statement is there. Here only one statement. Only one statement. What conclusion? See this one. Only one statement. Conclusion also itself. That's it. Because P and Q both are same. I cannot say anything. Because of only one statement. Because P and Q both are same. I cannot give any conclusion. Only one statement. What conclusion I can give? Itself. Conclusion is nothing. Itself is the answer. Only, see, if many statement, if I do end operation between them, what is the final conclusion? I can say something. Here only one statement. Here only one statement. Can anyone help you now? Can anyone help you now? Can anyone help you now? P and P. What is the answer? Can I say P? Can anyone help you now? Cheap is C I written, not cheap is C. Not right, negation C. Cheap I written C. What is the problem? Not cheap is right, I written negation C. Right, cheap I written the right. So simply C. What is the problem? P and Q both are same. P and Q both are same. The conclusion is P only. I cannot do anything. If at all question is conclusion, right? If at all question is what is the conclusion, then you can do this story. P is the answer. Conclusion is P only. Because both P and Q both are same. If they ask what is the relation between P and Q, both are same. C correctly. Cheap I written C, not C, not cheap I written negation C. Then I written C. What is the problem? See, here discussion is mobile only, right? Here discussion is mobile only. Good mobile phone is not cheap. Cheap mobile phones are not good. C, cheap I written C, not cheap I written negation C. Similar way, right? Cheap mobile phone I will write C. Fine. If the question is what is the conclusion, only one statement, what conclusion I can give? Itself. Only one statement, what is the conclusion I can give? Itself. Because this total story is G goes to negation C. This total story is going to be C goes to negation G. But if you observe clearly using the contrapositive, G goes to negation C. That means P is equal to Q. That means P is equal to Q. Someone is saying that, can you help me now? Someone is saying that P double implies Q. Can anyone help me now? P double implies Q means both are equal. I want answer from you. Yesterday I said to you, P double implies Q means both are equal. No. P double implies Q is equal to tautology. Then both are equal. See this one. P double implies Q. It doesn't mean that P is equal to Q. This is not correct. See, P double implies to, I cannot say P not equal, right? P is equal to Q. I cannot say, but I can say this one. See, P double implies Q is equal to tautology. Then I can say P is equal to Q. Should be a tautology. Are you getting? P double implies Q is a tautology, means P is equal to Q. P double implies is equal to Q. I cannot say P is equal to Q. Are you getting? Are you getting? If you want to prove two people equal, if you want to prove two people are equal, if you want to prove that P implies Q is equal to tautology. Prove that P implies Q is equal to tautology, then both are equal. Right? Fine. P implies Q, see this one, P implies Q is a tautology, then both are equal. Remember, if you do P implies Q, I cannot say both are equal, right? So, right, P implies Q is a tautology, then both are equal. It should be a tautology, remember. P implies Q may be false, then I cannot say both are equal. P implies Q is a tautology, then I can say they both are equal. Fine? Yeah, if you are comfortable, this also take care. This one also take care. And one more thing, we discussed this also yesterday. Can you see this one? We discussed this also yesterday. See everyone now. P implies Q is a tautology. Then I cannot say that P equal to Q. I cannot say this. P implies Q is a tautology. I cannot say P is equal to Q. I cannot say this. The reason is everyone know this is tautology, means PQ, right? It is the TT, it is the FT, it is the FF. How both are equal? How can I say both are equal? But when you say this, P double implies Q is equal to true, then they both are equal. If you want, you can check how they both are true. PQ, right? Double implies is true means both should be true, then true. Both should be false, then true. That is the reason they both are equal. From this conclusion, P is equal to Q. Fine? Fine? If someone say to you, P implies Q true, then both are equal. No, it is a valid argument. It is a valid statement or valid argument. P implies Q true means it is a valid argument. P double implies Q true means they both are equal. They both are equal. If I want to prove two people are equal, make sure double implies is a tautology. Fine? You got it? You got it? Johan, you got it? Johan, you got this problem? Let me know if you have doubt, Johan. Johan, if you have doubt, let me know. Johan, if you have doubt, let me know. Johan, if you have doubt, let me know. Yeah, I will do. Please let me know. Yeah, one more interesting thing I want to say to you. One more interesting thing I want to say to you. See this one. See everyone. If P is equal to Q, careful. If P is equal to Q, everyone know. P is equal to Q means everyone understand. P is equal to Q means P goes to Q is a tautology. And Q goes to P also tautology. Remember this. Which means P implies Q and Q implies P is a tautology. That means right, which means tautology. Are you getting? P is equal to Q. Listen, if P is equal to Q, if anyone say, that means these two are possible. That means this is true. That means this is. Are you okay? If P is equal to Q, P implies Q is equal to true. It's equal people, yeah. You write any side. Equal people, you write any side. True only implication. Implication true only. See, both the sides same. True becomes true. False become true. Are you getting? If P is equal to Q, if at all two people are equal, then P implies Q also true. Q implies P also true. That means P implies Q and Q implies P is true. That means P double implies Q is true. Are you okay with this? This is also very nice one. Very nice one. Can you check this? This is a nice one. Can you check this? Can you check this? Hello? Hello? Can you check this? Can I move to the next problem? Hidden, can I move to the next problem? Hidden, can I move to the next problem? Hidden, can I go to the next? Can I move to the next problem? And one more thing is, see, when this problem is given, when I given this problem, one student said to me, the answer of this problem, listen, when I given this problem, one student said to me, the answer of this one is both are equal. See this one, the answer of this one both are equal. He said to me, sir, both are equal. That means, listen, both are equal. That means P implies Q true, sir. That means Q implies P also true, sir. That means the conclusion is given, sir, P double implies Q, sir, which is true. These are the things, right? All correct. This is correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. All are same. If P is equal to Q, answer is finally both are same. Answer is finally both are same. When you say both are same, P implies Q true. When you say both are same, Q implies P also true. If the conclusion, if they want conclusion, you can write P implies Q also. If they want conclusion, you can write P implies Q also, because of both are same, you can write. So I will write that, right? I written this one, this is also right. If you want, you can write like this also, because of both are same, you can write in the nice way like this. That is the reason one student written PQ, because of both are same, let me write now. Answer is P is equal to Q. That means P double implies Q. Is it true? Right? So see this one. If these are true, I proved that this is also true. Right? Write whatever way you want. All are correct. This is also correct. See, both are same, correct. This is also correct. Both are same, correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Because of your end operation is there. Because of your end operation there. This is also correct. This is also correct. By assuming left true, I proved right true. By assuming left true, I proved right true. So if the question is what is the relation between them, simply say P is equal to Q. Simply say P is equal to Q. If you want conclusion, P double implies Q, you can write. P double implies Q, you can write. The person who said P double implies Q, that is the conclusion, you are correct. P implies Q, you written, that is also correct. Right? Fine. All are correct. Now any conclusion, anyone having any doubt? Simple answer is very simple. Both are equal. Answer is very simple. Both are equal. What is the relation? Both are equal. Both are equal. How to write the both are equal? P double implies Q is equal to true. P double implies Q is equal to true. What is the meaning? P implies Q true and Q implies P also true. So what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Both are equal, people. What is the conclusion? P is equal to Q, which is nothing but P double implies Q. By assuming left true, I can prove right also true. Right? Fine. Perfect. Thank you so much. I don't know who is that. Someone is mentioned as soon as I given this problem. Someone is mentioned as soon as I given this problem. P implies, right? P double implies Q. Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. Because of both are equal, you can write like that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Can you come to the next problem? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Can you come to the next problem? In the last class, we done one problem. I am trying to do that. In the last class, we done one problem. I am going to do that. Everyone listen. In the last class, we done. See this? See this one? In the last class, we done S1. Everyone observe. S1. S2. Next problem. Example. S1, S2. PRQ. End. PRR. End. Q employees are. PRQ. P employees are. Q employees are. R. Next one. PRQ. End. P employees are. End. Q employees S. Employees. RRS. Yeah, this is the problem. Listen. This is the problem. Careful, everyone. Someone is saying P double implies Q. P double implies Q doesn't mean that P and Q equal. If 𝗘𝗏 is not mentioned, of course. Yeah, okay. Maybe you can watch one time. Now see this one. Everyone listen this. These two statements are equal or not. Yesterday we done this problem already. Everyone listen. Yesterday we already done this problem. Are they true or not true? We done yesterday already this problem. Are they true or not true? Yesterday we completed this problem. Are they true or not true? Yesterday we done this problem. Are they true or not true? Both are valid? Yes, both are valid. Now can you see this one? Both are valid. Can you everyone listen? Can everyone listen? Can everyone listen? Yesterday I said a few formulas. Can you see the formulas? Can you see the formulas? P is 1, P goes to, Q is 1. What is the answer? What is the answer? Both are cancelled like this. So Q. We done already. We done already. Yesterday we done already. See the one more. See the one more. See the one more. P goes to Q. Q goes to R. Using trans 2. P goes to R. And one more thing. One more thing. Everyone listen. One more thing. Major things I am writing. PRQ. Everyone listen. PRQ. Everyone observe this. Everyone observe this one. PRQ. PRQ. P goes to R. Can you see this one? Can you give the answer to me? PRQ. P employees R. See this one. PP cancel. See this one. PP cancel. Then answer is. Right? Then answer is RQ. Left out people right. Left out people right. Left out people right. I already proved also. I already proved also. I already proved also. I already proved also. Now listen. Now listen. Why I am saying there are so many. See, same statement can be written many ways. Same statement can be written many ways. This statement can be written many ways. Many ways you can write. It can be written in the many ways. Remember, it can be written in the many ways. So I'm just giving one answer. Observe properly. Observe properly. Everyone careful this. S1 statement, S2 statement. S1 statement, S2 statement. So S1, I am trying to prove it. S1. Let's talk about S1. In the S1, whatever is there, let me write. PRQ, everyone listen. P goes to R. Everyone listen. Q goes to R. What are the conclusion I can give? Listen. What are the conclusion I can give? I am checking one by one. I am checking one by one. See the conclusion. See the conclusion. What conclusion I can give? See the conclusion. PRQ, PRR. I think this will go. Which will goes to RRQ. Am I right? Which will goes to RRQ. Right? And one more. See this one. RRQ. This is as it is. Listen. This is as it is. Q negation. Sorry. Q employees are. This can be written as, listen, because of it is R operator. Because of it is R operator. RRQ can be written as QRR. One more thing is Q goes to R also there. If you see this one, these two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. Left out one is RRR, which is going to be R. Will you agree? R operator you can spare. ARB, BRA both are same. ARB, BRA both are same. ARB, BRA both are same. And one more thing is ARA also A. ARA also A. So what I mean to say is, listen, if you want to prove it is a valid statement, listen, if you want to prove it is a valid statement, one way is like yesterday. Assume total true. Assume total true. That means this is true, this is true, this is true. Then first bracket, go to the first bracket. This is true means three possibilities. All the possibilities keep on substitute everywhere. Using the left data, prove right also true. That is the one way. Whenever possible like that, do. If you think that it is looking like lengthy, you can do like this also. You can do like this also. If you think it is a lengthy, you can do like this. Let's try this. Let's try this also. Can you see the S2? Can you see the S2? Everyone listen. PRQ. Everyone can see this. Everyone can see this one. PRQ. Next one. P employees R. Q employees S. These are the three people. Observe what is going on. Observe what is going on. See this one. Observe what is going on. Right. Worst case is like yesterday you will do. Worst case is like yesterday you will do. It became QRR. It became QRS. So again this is became right SRR direct. This can be written as RRS. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Bhaiya, is it okay? Totally there are three approaches. Listen, totally there are three approaches. Assume left true, prove right also true. That is the one way. Assume right false, prove left also false. That is the one more way. Right? One more way is like this. This is the one more way. The only thing is you should know these shortcuts. You should know these shortcuts. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. There may be some more indirectly, directly. There may be some more indirectly, directly. There may be some more indirectly, directly. Right, perfect. Are you getting? You have to practice every problem. You have to practice every problem. Don't buy heart. Don't buy heart. See, 1 or 2 problems will trouble you. 1 or 2 statements will trouble you. Still, you have to maintain consistency. If you are getting, then only you will maintain consistency. It is not possible. Nowhere road will be. Nowhere road will be. Total road is clear. Sometimes good road, sometimes bad road, sometimes okay, sometimes 100% nice road. Many combinations will come. They are checking. Bad roads are checking. Are you consistent or not? Are you really want or not? Yeah. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Today's class is a wonderful class. Today's class is a wonderful class. Please take care. 1 or 2 doubts are there, rectify, ask in the group. 1 or 2 doubts are there, ask in the group. Help each other. Help each other. 1 or 2 doubts are there, help each other. Small doubt also there, you can post in the group. You can post in the group, you can help each other. Fine? Yeah, let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. One more example. See this. One more example. Can you see this? P goes to R. P goes to R and Q goes to S. P goes to R, Q goes to S, and negation R, R negation S implies negation P or negation Q. Right? This is the given one. Sir, if P double implies Q, does not mean P equal to Q if tautology not there. Of course, you only say, see this one. You only say, see this one. PQ, P double implies Q. Right? True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Right? False, false. Now see this one. See everyone now. See everyone now. Right? This will goes to true, this will goes to false, this will goes to false, this will goes to true. Right? This is the table. This is the table. Now listen. Now listen, everyone listen. Because of Abhijit is asking, careful. Because of Abhijit is asking, right? Abhijit is asking, that is the reason I am saying. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Between two people, P implies Q possible. What is the meaning? I want answer from everyone. Between two people, P implies Q possible. What is the meaning? I want answer. Between two people, P implies Q possible. What is the meaning? Between two people, P implies Q possible means P implies Q is true. Between two people, P implies Q possible means P implies Q is true. Means it is a tautology. You want to say same meaning. Right? I have two people, P and Q. The relation between them is P implies Q. The relation between them is P implies Q. That means P implies Q is true. That is the indirect meaning. Abhijit, that is the meaning of that line. Between two people, P implies Q possible. Indication that P implies Q is a valid statement. It means it is a tautology. It means both are equal. Fine? Is it okay? Is it okay? Between two people, P implies Q possible. What is the meaning of possible? Between two people, P implies Q possible. What is the meaning? Possible in the sense it is a valid statement. It means it is a true statement. It means tautology. Then P implies Q possible, Q implies P possible. Right? That is the meaning of that line. But P implies Q table is this. So, okay, right? So I think you got it. You got it. Now come here. Now come here now. Nice line. Thank you so much for asking. Can you see this? Can you see everyone? Can you see everyone? Is it valid or not? Let's check. Is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Let me check. So yesterday we proved using the normal rules. Using the normal rules yesterday we proved. That is a very lengthy one. We will try if any possibility there. We will try. Can you see this? Can you see this one? We are trying using our rules. P goes to R, Q goes to S, negation R negation S. If any possibility there, we will do this. Listen, if any possibility there, we will do this. Careful, observe properly. Observe properly. If any possibility there, we will do this. Observe properly. Everyone observe. Everyone observe this. So this can be written. Listen, this can be written. Negation S implies negation Q. This is as it is. Negation S or negation R. So then it will goes to like this. Then it became negation R or negation Q. Then this can be written as negation R implies negation P. So I think these two are cancelled. So this can be written as negation P or negation Q, which is equal to this. Fine. TF is equal to T. TF is equal to T. What is the meaning of double implication? Both true, then only true, na? Double implication, both true, then only true, na? Double implication, both true, then only true, right? Hello? Negation R, negation S. So you done the contra positive, SS cancel, negation Q, negation R. You done the contra positive, negation R, negation P, RR cancel, negation P, negation Q. Right? Fine. Perfect. Now, last time I want to ask you, those people, if anyone having any confusion, can you see this? Can you see this? If anyone having any confusion, can you see this? Can everyone observe this? Can everyone observe this? See this one. If P goes to Q is valid, if P goes to Q is valid, or P, right, P goes to Q valid, that means the meaning of this one is P goes to Q is a tautology. Same meaning. Next one, P double implies Q is valid. That means P double implies Q is a tautology. That means P implies Q possible. Q implies P also possible. Means they are also true. This is also true, that is also true. That means final conclusion, P is equal to Q. Someone is saying that between two people, P implies Q possible. Possible means valid. Valid means tautology. Right? Then P is equal to Q. Fine? Bhaiya, fine? Bhaiya, fine? Is it fine? Yeah. In the initial classes, we done this line. Are you still remembered? In the initial classes, we done something like this. Are you still remember? Initial class, we done like this one. Are you still remember? See this one? See correctly this line? In the initial class, we done like this. See this one. Are you really comfortable? I'm not verify one time. See this? Like this we done. P double implies Q is equal to P implies Q and Q implies P. Are you fine? They both are equal. Draw the truth table, check. Draw the truth table, check. Fine. Draw the truth table, check. Both are true. Listen, both are true. These two are, listen, these two are true. left side person, right side person true. That means, listen, left side person, right side person, both are true. That means if the left true, right also true. If the left false, right also false. That is the meaning of both are true. I am not saying that both are tautology. I am not saying left person equal to right person. If the left true, right also true. If the left false, right also false. They both are equal. Here there is no question of validity. Here the question is going to be both are equal or not. Both are equal. If left true will come, right also true will come. If left false will come, right also false will come. They both are equal. But when someone say this is valid, listen, when someone say this is valid, right, this is valid means double implies is true. Double implies is true. That means this is true, this is true. That means both are equal. Careful. That means both are equal. Now it is the correct time. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. It is the correct time to ask you. It is the correct time to ask you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you help me now? It is the correct time to ask you. 1, 2. In the 1, can I say? In the 1, can I say P is equal to Q? In the 1, can I say P is equal to Q? In 1, can I say P is equal to Q? In 1, can I say P is equal to Q? Check properly. In 1, can I say P is equal to Q? In 1, can I say P is equal to Q? Yes. Can you say in the 2, can I say P is equal to Q? In the 2, can I say P is equal to Q? No. This may be, listen, this may be false also. This is false means this is also false. This is true means this is also true. In the 2, I cannot say P is equal to Q. In the 2, I can say left person, right person equal. See, both the truth table you see, left truth table, right truth table equal. That is the only thing I can say. In the second, I cannot say P is equal to Q. In the first, I can say. Fine. So this one, second means this one. Here, can I say P is equal to Q? I cannot say that. In the second, I cannot say P is equal to Q, but in the first, I can say. Bhaiya, are you getting? Bhaiya, are you getting? Hello? Bhaiya, are you getting? In the second, P is equal to Q, I cannot say. If at all P is equal to Q, you only say. If at all P is equal to Q, how false came? P, right? P false, Q true. Then false came. In the second case, I cannot say P is equal to Q. In the second, I can say left part is equal to right part. I cannot say P is equal to Q. Right? Now everyone is comfortable. Now everyone is comfortable. See, whenever someone say it is a valid statement, P implies Q is valid, means first story will come. P implies Q is valid, then first story will come. P implies Q is equal to P implies, right? P single implies and Q single implies P, right? That is. I think you got some clarity, right? You revise one time, you will get the more clarity. Revise one more time. Revise one more time. So remember, I used these rules. In today's class, I used these shortcuts. Yesterday, these are very danger. Now, because of these shortcuts, they became so easy. Because of shortcut, they became so easy. Right? See, can you try to use the shortcuts from now onwards? Can you try to use the shortcuts from now onwards? See, if anyone say P is equal to Q, these are. One time you have to revise. You cannot get everything at a time. Maybe one or two places you confused, right? You can check one time. Wherever doubts are there, you can ask, right? I will clarify. Wherever doubts are there, you can ask, I will clarify, right? Fine. So you almost got clarity. You almost got clarity. Yeah, can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move? Only one problem there. Only one problem there. Can we move? Only one problem there. Can we move? Can we move or not? Only one problem. Only one problem. Thank you so much. So see this one. You have to clear doubts. You have to clear doubts. One or two doubts will come. See, in the total discrete mathematics, the complicated topic is this only. In the total discrete mathematics, the complicated topic is this only. I started with the complex one so that you have enough time to practice. In the total discrete mathematics, this is the complex topic. I started with the complex one so that one or two doubts are there, you can rectify. One or two doubts are there, you can rectify. I know that some doubts will come. Please keep on rectifying. If anyone is not getting, identify which you are not getting. If anyone is not getting some point, identify which one you are not getting. Sir, I didn't get this. I didn't get that. You can ask, I will rectify. Right? Fine. One more problem. Let's do one more problem. With this, it is over. Let's do one more problem. Let's do one more problem. Write down. Try this problem also. Try this problem. P negation P R Q and R goes to S and P R goes to negation S implies Q. This is the P. So what about Q? That is the P. What about Q? Let's try. Negation P and Q and Q goes to P goes to R. This problem also. Let's do this problem also. You will get more clarity. Negation R. That is a Q. So don't confuse these P's and all. If you want, you can give numbers. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Third one go. Third one go. Q R R. Sorry, Q and R. Implies P. And negation Q R P R R 4 P and P R R and Q and sorry Q R negation R implies Q. Yeah, can you try these 4? Which are right, which are wrong? Wherever possible, apply shortcuts. Wherever possible, apply shortcuts. Wherever possible, apply shortcuts. You have to identify which are valid, which are invalid. Which are valid, which are invalid, you have to identify. Try this problem. Try this problem. Today's class, it is the last problem. Today's class, it is the last problem. So you read all of them one time. Revise again and again. Revise again and again. Wherever you stuck, right? Post in the group. Wherever you stuck, ask your friends. This is the only way how you move forward. Because of small mistake, if you stop journey, no one can make your journey exciting. You are the only person who can make this, right? Your journey exciting. It is one of the complicated topic in the total discrete mathematics. You done this one means discrete mathematics you done. You done this one means discrete mathematics you done. Yeah, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Which are valid, which are invalid? Can you check? Yeah, can you complete this? See, wherever possible, apply shortcuts. If not possible, do normal way. If not possible, do normal way. So don't worry every time shortcuts, right? Whatever possible, you do. Okay, shortcut not possible, do normal way. That is the reason I said all the models. Sometimes shortcuts may not be possible. Someone is saying first one is valid. Let's try. Let's try first one is valid or not. Let's try first one is valid or not. If possibility there, use shortcuts. If possibilities are there, use shortcuts. If possibility there, you can use shortcuts. Let's try. Let's try this. Let's try this where shortcuts are possible. I think from these two, RR cancel. From these two, RR cancel, because PRR can be written as RRP. PRR can be written as RRP, right? So I think RR cancel. Remaining is a S and P R operator. From this conclusion, SRPK. Check if I done anything wrong. Am I right? Right, now see this one. This can be written, right? This statement can be written as P implies Q. This statement can be written as P implies Q. I think if you observe clearly, this can be written as PRS. So these two cancel. These two cancel. From this conclusion is left out part. PP cancel. So I think it's going to be SRQ. Check if I done anything wrong. If I done anything wrong, let me know. If I done anything wrong, let me know. Now let me write here. I will check the statement once again. R goes to S. PRR. So this is the answer finally I got. This is the answer finally I got. Everyone know this is equal to, if you observe clearly, in the R operator you write In the R operator, you write. It became negation of negation S. It became S. S or Q. Both are same. See, to this one, right? So you know that formula. Same formula, whatever I applied here, same thing I applied here. This is equal to this. Finally, same. This one, I done this combined. See, here shortcut possible I applied. At anywhere, if you think shortcut not possible, you can go normal way. You can go normal way. No, you no need to criticize yourself. Wherever shortcut possible, apply. Wherever shortcut possible, apply. If you think that shortcut you can do, apply it. If you think that shortcut is possible, then apply this. Now let me try this one some other way. Let me try this one some other way. I am trying this one some other way, right? Can you let me try this? See this one. Assume total is true. Assume total true. If total true, it should also be true. It should also be true. If total true, it should be true. It should also be true. Right? Both should be true. It is true means this should be true. This should be true. So already confirm Q true. But negation P true means I think P should be false. So P false confirm, Q true confirm. Substitute those values. Substitute those values on the right side. Q already true. P already false. Right? So then what the answer? But total I want to true. Total I want to true. So this is F. What about R? Because I want totally true. I want totally true. What should be R? You just say to me, what about R? If at all R value true, any problem? See the second statement. See the second statement. See the second statement Q. I will check. I am rechecking any mistake I written wrong. Anything I written wrong, I am checking. P goes to R. Yeah. Can you help me now? So what about second statement? What about second statement? What should be R? R can be true or false. R can be true or false. R can be true also. R can be false also. Because if R is true, false true becomes true, true becomes true. So everything no problem. But he's saying that negation R is true. That is the reason false. Here you have two possibilities. Anything can be done. Anything can be done. R may be true, R may be false. R may be true, R may be false. He's saying that, right? He's saying that negation R is true means R should be false only, he's saying. R can be true, R can be false. So it is a wrong statement. Here two possibilities are there. So those people who are having small doubt, two things you have to substitute here. See, here two things you have to substitute. How? P, Q, R. Three people. What are the P? False already confirmed. What are the Q? True already confirmed. What R can be? R can be two possibilities. R may be true also. R may be false also. Now, if you substitute the first possibility, see this one. R is true. R is true means negation R become false. That is the reason it is false. Because of this, it is false. So second one is false. Right? If any shortcut there, do shortcut. If shortcut is not there, do like this. Can you go to the 3? Can you go to the 3? Any shortcut possible, you can do this. Any shortcut possible, you can do this. Third one, if you feel that any shortcut is possible, you can do this. Yeah, right? Try this. R value, all right, I think this is the third statement. Any shortcut possible do, otherwise you can do directly also. Worst case, you can do directly. It is a true. It is true means it is also true. It is also true. Right? It is true means it is true. It is also true. Now go inside. It is a true means. It is a true means. See all the possibilities. It is a true means. See all the possibilities. Fix the values and check. Fix the values and check. I am fixing now. So it is a true means TF not possible. TF not possible. Yeah, I think because of this is a very easy. So let me do this first. Whichever easy you can do that. Whichever easy, because both are true anyhow. Whichever easy you can do this. When you say it is a true R operator, right? The possibilities are here true, false, false, true, false, false. True, false. Yeah, so you substituted. Now substitute the values one by one. When you say negation P is this one means negation Q this one means Q should be false here, true here, true here. Right? It is a false. These are the possibilities. Substitute here, substitute here, substitute here. Right? You got the P value, you got the Q value. Substitute here. So in the first possibility, P false. Right? So Q is going to be false. So it is R operator. It is R operator. It is already false. It is R operator. Then it became, what is the answer? Then it became false. R operator. So R can be true also. R can be false also. R can be true also. R can be false also. Right? Check properly. Please verify third statement. R can be true also. R can be false also. I cannot say R should be true. I cannot say this. It may be true also. It may be false also. So here possibility. See, first possibility I taken P value false. P false I kept. Q should be false. Q also false I said. But it is a implication. It is already false. It should be true. You want to make it should be true. But it is already false. R can be true also. R can be false also. Because of this reason, it is false. There is a dilemma. True or false possible. Now come to the fourth one. See, at anywhere shortcuts possible, do shortcuts. If shortcuts not possible, do normal way. Shortcuts not possible, do normal way. Right? So I think this may be possible. So I will try this. This may be possible. I will try this. See this? Here actually I am removing this bracket. Here are three people. If you keep bracket also no problem. If you don't keep bracket also no problem. Here are three people. Can you help me one small line? P employees are, this is nothing but P and, right, P employees are both will be cancelled. From this R will come. Right? So this one if you see R goes to this one, if you see, right, R goes to Q. Check. So R cancel. So Q. It is true. Wherever shortcut is possible, I done. So finally Q. So what I want to say is, whenever shortcut possible, try shortcut first. If you think that shortcut is not working, do normal way. In the normal way, somewhere dilemma. It may be true, it may be false. But he is saying right side, it should be true or it should be false, something like that. Accordingly, you can plan it. So answer, I think I no need to say anything now. Just I want to verify one time I given. 1 and 4 is true. Remaining false, verify. I have nothing to do here. Because of so many problems I done, if you don't get also no problem, you can check yourself. It is a homework. It is a homework. Instead of giving homework, I done little bit. Wherever shortcut possible, I done. If you think that second also shortcut possible, check. If you think that second also shortcut possible, you can check. Second also shortcut possible, you can check. This is the homework. I done roughly 1 and 4 is correct. I done roughly 1 and 4 is correct. See, because of this it is false. Because of this, I am underlining also. I am underlining also. Because of this it is failed. I am underlining also. Because of this is failed. Red circle is wrong area. Fourth one is valid, direct statement. Fourth one is valid, direct statement. Sir, can we say that maybe we are not able to see or use shortcuts, but shortcuts is possible? Yeah, maybe. Right? No one will ask you, Atul, no one will ask you. Nowhere it is right? Nowhere proof is there saying that every time shortcut possible. Right? No one will ask you. Right? Shortcuts are for our convenience. If possible, if you think, use it. If not possible, you can go normal approach. There is no rule like if for everything shortcut is there. It may be, may not. Right? It may be, may not. How can I give guarantee for everything shortcut possible? Fine. This is the homework. This is the homework I done roughly. This is the homework I done roughly. This is the homework I done roughly. Please take care. Roughly I done this. And I circled also where it went wrong. I circled also where it went wrong. Please check deeply little more. Please check deeply little more. And one more. Sir, this is the last lecture in YouTube, sir. Yes, exactly. Yeah, you please revise one time. Please revise one time. Complicated part is done. Revise one time, 1 or 2 doubts are there, rectify. It's almost done. Logic is almost done. Fine. Tomorrow onwards you will see. Right, in our right EPT platform. In our EPT platform, you will see the tomorrow onward discrete mathematics class. Tomorrow onwards EPT platform, you will see that 6 o'clock. Fine. Yeah, fine. People, it's okay. Arey, people saying that one sentence in Hindi. Arey, man, all are crying because of logic. All are crying. All are crying because of logic, right? You want one in Hindi statement. One Hindi statement you want. Yeah, all the best, Bhavi. Bhavi, how is 𝗘𝗧 Hyderabad? How is 𝗘𝗧 Hyderabad? Wherever shortcuts possible, do shortcuts. If shortcuts not there, assume left true, right? Prove that right true. One more way is assume right is false, prove left false. That is one more. Totally 3 ways are there. Whichever is possible, you do it. Whichever possible, you do it. Some people are asking, sir, can I do mixing? Listen, some people are saying that, sir, can I do mixing? Some people are saying that, sir, can I do some mixing kind of thing? Mixing means, listen everyone, no, mixing means some people are saying that, sir, can I do some mixing like this? Sir, can I do some mixing like this? See this one? You do, these 2 people minimize. Listen, these 2 people minimize. These 2 people minimize. After minimizing, this one, if you cannot, this one, if you cannot minimize further, for this you can do assume left true, prove right also true. Like that also you can do. See, 2 people you are able to minimize. Now 2 more people left out. You are unable to do. Then assume that is true, prove right also true. You can do mixing also. You can do mixing also. Are you getting? Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of mixing? Right? Few things shortcut possible. In the given all left people, everywhere you cannot do. Few things you can do. Do few things. Whatever is left out, you can apply. Left to true, then prove right also true. So like that you can do. Okay, fine, perfect. Chalo then. Thank you so much. Revise again and again. 1 or 2 doubts are there. Post in the group. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. I will take the practice classes also. I will take the practice classes also in the next test too. In the next test, I am saying to you from the logic. In the next test from the logic, I will give 25 questions. In the next test from the logic, I will give 25 questions. Please ready for that. You revise the notes first. Afterwards, from the logic, 25 questions of test I will give. Not this Saturday, Sunday, next Saturday, Sunday. Because, right, Nidhi madam is taken forcefully. Sir, I want to conduct, right, aptitude test. Please give chance to me. So I given. So this Saturday, Sunday, aptitude is there. Next Saturday, Sunday, discrete mathematics is there. And TOC, discrete mathematics. Or maybe DS discrete mathematics. Yeah, fine. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. Yeah, Bhavi, you can contact. Thank you.